Have you ever heard the term buckshot and wondered what it really means? Let's explore this fascinating topic together. Buckshot is a type of shotgun ammunition. It consists of multiple large pellets, usually made of lead or steel. These pellets spread out when fired, increasing the chance of hitting a target. The name buckshot comes from its original use in hunting deer or bucks. The larger pellets are effective at stopping game animals at moderate distances. This makes buckshot popular among hunters and law enforcement alike. For example, a typical 12-gauge buckshot shell contains anywhere from 8 to 27 pellets. According to the National Shooting Sports Foundation, this variety allows for adaptability in different situations. The spread pattern helps increase hit probability. Understanding buckshot is important for appreciating how shotguns function. Its design balances power and coverage, making it a versatile ammunition choice. Fascinating, isn't it?